So in this video, I am going to show you how to fix Bluetooth not working on Windows 11. If you are struggling to connect your Bluetooth devices, this guide will help you resolve the issue quickly. So let's start the video. First, let's ensure that your Bluetooth is turned on. To do this, click on the Start menu and select Settings. In the Settings window, click on Bluetooth and other devices. Here you should see a toggle switch for Bluetooth. If it's turned off, simply click the switch to turn it on. If you are not showing Bluetooth toggle option, simply click on Devices and go to Related Settings section. Now click on More Bluetooth options. A new pop-up window will appear. Check the box next to Show Bluetooth icon in the notification bar. Confirm by clicking OK. Sometimes the solution is as simple as this, but if your Bluetooth is already on and you are still facing the issues, then the next step is to restart the Bluetooth service. Press the Window plus R keys on your keyboard to open the Run dialog. Type services.msc and hit Enter. This will bring up the services window. Scroll down until you find Bluetooth support service. Right click on it and select Restart. To ensure this service always starts up correctly, right click again, select Properties and set the startup type to Automatic. Next, let's make sure your Bluetooth drivers are up to date. Press Window plus X and select Device Manager from the menu. In Device Manager, expand the Bluetooth section. Then right click on your Bluetooth device and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers to let Windows find and install the latest drivers. Keeping your drivers updated is essential for maintaining a stable Bluetooth connection. If the problem persists, try running the built-in Bluetooth Troubleshooter. Go to Settings by pressing Window plus I key. Then in the System section, click on Troubleshoot. From there, select Other Troubleshooters and find Bluetooth in the list. Click Run and follow the on-screen instructions to diagnose and fix any issues. Finally, ensure that airplane mode is turned off, as this can disable Bluetooth. Go to Settings and select Network and Internet. Now click on Airplane mode and make sure the switch is off. This simple check can sometimes be the key to getting your Bluetooth back up and running. Sometimes the issue might be with the other device you are trying to connect. Make sure to check and troubleshoot that device as well. Now restart your Windows computer to see if the Bluetooth issue is resolved. Following these steps should address the problem effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, so don't forget to liking the video and subscribing to my channel.